In today's video we're going to be testing this. It is a steam pressure wash thing majiggy from Temu. Basically it's like a steam cleaner to clean all your engine, all the oil and crap off your engine. Does it work? You just fill it out with water. It came with a few attachments to scrub and stuff that go on the end of this, so let's test it out and see if it works today, shall we? Okay, I've plugged it in, I've switched it on here, green lights come on. I'm guessing it's like when you do your wallpaper stripping, I guess it's just the same as that. Got to wait for it to heat up and maybe start steaming, and then we'll get to it. I'll cut to when it's working. Right, I've just, whoa, what's going on? It's literally instant. I've just turned it up. It's going. Let's give it a try. Wow. Now now it stopped. What? Let's turn it up. Let's turn it right up. See what happens. There we go. Oh, it's doing something. Let's get down here where all the oil was. Wow. Steaming summit. Flicking at me. Wow. Bloody hell, it's got some power in it. Wasn't expecting that. I'm going to turn it off and try the nozzle on it. Okay, I've just screwed this adapter scrubby thing on. Let's see what happens. Oh God, that's hot in my hand. Let's turn it right up. Wow. Get into all the nooks and crannies, give it a good brush. It seems to have stopped now. What's happening? What? It's off again, it's off again. There you go, we're off again. Well, I'm going to get on and give this a good scrub and see how it looks when I'm finished.
A few moments later.
Okay, I've just given it a scrub. It's all a bit wet now. I'm going to give it a wipe down with some kitchen roll, get all the water off and see how it looks. God, that thing's vicious. You know what? This might be alright, you know. The verdict so far, it's kind of, it hasn't got the built-on grime off. It's kind of done an alright job. But down there, the gearbox, that was covered in, you know, wet oil from when this Dizzy was leaking, but it's got a lot of it off. The gearbox is still, you know, looking like a gearbox, but there's no bloody oil anywhere. It's done alright, you know. Still quite a bit of water in there. That should dry off though. I'm going to give it another go down here because there's still oil down there that I missed, but it ain't bad. If you've had an oil leak and you want to get all the oil off, then it ain't bad. I might jack this up and do underneath in a minute.
A few moments later.
If you look under here at my sump and that, there's quite a bit of oil and gunk down here, still along here. Let's see how it fares on these. I just fitted a new power steering pump, so that's clean anyway, but there's a lot of oil on the bottom of the engine. Let's give the bottom of this a good clean off and see how it fares, shall we? Get stuck in. Right, I tell you what, it's doing an alright job. Look, there's a lot of oil. Look at the gearbox. It's got a lot of the wet oil off, but not the grimed on stuff. Do you know what I mean? It's not going to make your engine brand new, but it will get off. I mean, look at my sump. It will get off stuff, but look at the grimed on stuff. So yeah, it does a good job at getting off any wet oil, but all the grimed and burnt on stuff, it can't really touch. Be careful though, because it gets bloody hot and it burns. Even holding the handle starts to burn a bit, but do you know what? That ain't half bad considering the amount of oil I had on my engine from that oil leak. And that sump is spotless. Let's have a look at the top now, it's dried a bit. Yeah. It's not too bad. It's still grimy and old, but a lot of the wet oil's gone, which means I can keep on top of oil laters because I can see if there's any oil. So, conclusion, it's alright. For like 20 quid on Temu, do you know what? It's not a bad little thing. It comes with a lot more attachments than these. It comes with this little one, a big one, and some other stuff that I've lost already. But yeah, there. Yeah, is it worth it? If you just want to clean all loads of oil off your engine and stuff, yeah, it's worth. It's a thing worth having. Just put some water in it and off you go. But as a thing to make your engine brand new again, no. Anyway, just a quick one on that. I thought I'd just try it out. So yeah, see you in the next one, peeps.